Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. So today we are doing a haul from the Dollar Tree. And I am somebody who is addicted to watching these on YouTube. Let me know down below if you are one of those people, because I love watching them and I love recording them. In today's video, we are going to see a lot of DIY stuff as usual, but we are also going to see patriotic 4th of July, Memorial Day colors, red, white, and blues. So without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, let's get into it. So this is the first time in a very long time that my Dollar Tree did not have metal wreaths. What did your Dollar Tree run out of? Because, you know, this Dollar Tree is kind of really geared towards crafters. There's a ton of DIY stuff, ton of crafting stuff in this particular Dollar Tree that I go to, and they didn't have those. So, you know, when I panic, I got two of these. And this is so weird. Look at this, you guys. Look at the difference. I'm just holding them at the bottom. Look at the difference in size. So this one I think is a lot more, this is supposed to be 9-inch. I think this one is like, it cheaped out. It's a lot smaller. But anyway. And then I got a few of these. I just panicked. I absolutely panicked. I was like, what am I going to do wreaths with? I need these. So I got a bunch of those. And then these are 4th of July. So I got two different ones of these boards. And I like the way it's riveted right here. And so this is the 3 attached signs. But I really liked, if you just look at the back of it, you can use this for anything. So I grabbed one of these, and then there was another one, and I love this one because this one had a little hat on it, and then it said USA, but it's the same thing. It's riveted just the same way. So that's why I grabbed that. Then I grabbed two of these. And these are great just if you remove one to put just one on a wreath or something, or to make signs. These are just great. So I got one of these, and then let me see. This one's a little different. I got one of these. And then I got this door hook that I'm sure I can get creative with, and it says current mood Z, and you know, that's just not that pretty, so I'm sure we can jazz it up for us. Then I got one of these, and this is so cool. I love, oh, this one's coming off, but it doesn't matter. I love that this one is rotating, and look at this. Well, might as well just grab it off, but yeah, it's a rotating little sign, and I thought it was so cute. We will think of something to do with that. And then I got one of these. It just looks like a huge little sign, like gift tag. And what does this one say? I left my heart by the ocean. But it's just so humongous, you guys, for $1. It's huge, you know. And then even bigger are these signs, and I got two of the same, and this one, just because for whatever DIY, they're absolutely huge. So they are, I'm going to tell you right now, they're 9-inch by 13. So 9 by 13. They are huge, you guys. And so I thought this was just, I could not pass that up. Just putting it down so it doesn't fall. All right, what are we moving on for? Decorative cake tray. Just a clear one like this, and I'm not sure what I want to do with that, but it's pretty enough that I think I can, you know, be creative with this. Then, let's see here, more decorative. I got a lime. 3 limes for $1. And if you think about it, how much these, you know, plastic fruit used to be, This is nothing. $3, $4. Are you kidding me? This is fantastic. Then I got these clothespins. They're just in this little, and these are the mini ones. There's 50 pieces in here, which is amazing too for $1. And I have, you know, I have a DIY in mind for that. But then I got these wood stakes, and these are just so adorable to just jazz up really anything you're doing, any kind of DIY. This is so pretty. This one I was thinking like anything with florals or with, you know, just so adorable. Then I got a little, sometimes I work on a white surface instead of my measuring mat. So I got one of these from the Dollar Tree in case I need to show you a length of a ribbon or something like that. I thought this would be handy. Then I got this long tray. It's blue, but it's pretty sturdy. I mean, it's pretty sturdy and it's nice looking. So I thought I would, you know, do a DIY with that. You could always put it on a little stand or something. And now let's get into some of the ribbon. I don't think there'll be like any videos without ribbon. I did get some jute cord. I already have some, but sometimes you need the extra. And I got this glass fish bowl. And this is for a coming up DIY. And then these wire burlap ribbon. You guys, I absolutely love these. Now this one is 2-inch. And this one is, I think, 1.5. It looks shorter. So this one's 1.5 inch and it has these zigzags on it. So pretty. And they do have wire edging on them. So if you love making bows for ribbon, for wreaths and stuff, this is so cool. And for $1, you get what, 9 yards usually? This one's 3 yards, I'm sorry. 9 feet, 3 yards. Still, amazing deal. Then I got this elegant ribbon. It's lace. Let me see if I can get it out. And there you go. I have a lilac one like that. But this one's so elegant for some kind of a baby shower or baby's room or something. I'm sure I can get crafty with that. Then I'm sure these are leftover from Christmas. It's basically red and black checker or buffalo check as some call it, but I thought I'll grab these because they're just, I don't know, I like them and I can always use them next year, and they're a small size where you can put them on top of ornaments. So I thought these were really, really lovely. And then the last thing I got was this ribbon. It's kind of like a burlap or a jute wire green ribbon, and I like these. I like these a lot. Then I got this crate, this little crate. It has, I don't know if you guys can see, it has like wooden rivets, so you can always paint it, and has little handles on the side. You could do a little planter or get more creative with it, whatever you need to do. Then I needed a hole puncher. Mine broke, so I got a hole puncher at the Dollar Tree. I was like, wow, that's the first time, I have to admit, that's the first time I saw a hole puncher at the Dollar Tree. Then I went to the kids area, and so in the wood shop, it's called Wood Shop, and it's to build a bird, a little bird feeder. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oy, sorry about the noise. But the thing is, it had, let me see if I can open this without, because I'm going to put it away. I don't want to open it. But anyway, it has, you guys can see it, right? It has like beautiful little pieces of wood. And I'm like, I can definitely use them somehow in DIY, and actually some glue I see in there. So I decided to just grab it just in case you need a, you know, to add that little touch of wood somewhere, or, you know, I just thought it was a great idea. So check this out. This is in the kids area, and they have different ones. So if you're looking for something where you need a piece of wood somewhere in your DIY from the Dollar Tree. This is really nice. Next thing I picked up, this is from the baby area. This is just some foam balls, and this is blue and silver for like a boy's baby shower, but I'm actually going to be using this for a upcoming DIY, so I grabbed those. The next thing I have is this beautiful ribbon, which is, it's about an inch this way with all the design, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I have some ideas. It's so pretty. I love those kind of like teal blue color in here, and the green, and like the dark navy with like accent, shimmery accent throughout. Very pretty. Not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but very, very pretty. Now florals. We need florals, always need florals. Okay, so I picked up this floral. I haven't seen it before, and it's just long leaves, which is nice. And the nice thing is they kind of fall down. So sometimes when you're doing a bouquet and you need something hanging, and these, I just thought these would work really, really nice because they're like long and beautiful. So I picked these guys up. And then I believe I got the last of these for this year, from at least from my Dollar Tree. Now, if you watched any of my DIYs, I love decorating with these spring bouquets, and I thought I emptied them out last time, but it looked like they got more in. So I picked up, I think there's only like 5. So that's all they had, and these are only, they only bring them out in spring, unless they started to bring them out in summer too, because they're so popular. But yeah, I grabbed them because I love using them in DIY, especially if you're doing a something simple, something clean. You just need a little bit of greenery. All this greenery is just so wonderful for that. Since we are on florals, I have a feeling like the pile I've been putting up is just gonna fall down. So speaking of florals, I picked up some 4th of July stuff. I picked up just these roses right here. These little carnations. Just a few of them. And then I really, because they had beautiful red, white, and blue roses and all of that, and I just wanted, it looks like daisies. I just thought these were so elegant, so pretty. I have no clue what I'm going to use them for, but they were looking at me, so I picked up 3 bushels of these beautiful, beautiful red, white, and blue daisies. Now, when you saw on here, I have these, well, they're a little different, but these little stars, shimmery stars. Then I went on and found these. So this was one of those things. I picked up one, threw it in my basket, kept on walking, came back, picked up another one, kept on walking, came back, 3rd one. I don't know why. These are just so beautiful, you guys. Take a look at these. They're just so bright and just shiny and just gorgeous. I had to pick them up. So I did. So that's why I kept on coming back, and I got 3 total. Then I got these red, white, and blue paper straws. I thought they were so cute. These blue ones have stars, and these are just stripes. And so, so cute. By the way, the stripes are also, because see how the stripes are going this way? You can also use these, like if you're doing a barbershop theme or something, these would work really, really nice. Then I got a headband. No, I won't be using it. I basically got them for this, for the little, you know, tubing. I thought it was so cute, and I can always use this in decorating somehow. So I thought this was cute. It's just one of those things that I know it'll give a little poof of something, and I felt like I needed it. Then I picked up a red, white, and blue scarf. So it's like a blue with some fireworks on there. I thought this was pretty, whether I'm going to do something with it or wear it. I'm not sure, but I thought this was beautiful. Oh, and you guys, believe it or not, we are on our last item. So this I thought would look really nice on a wreath. So I picked these up, and they are like felt. They're not just fabric. They feel like felt, and they feel so nice. And because of that, they're more like stronger. And I just thought they were really, really beautiful. So I picked them up. Oh, I lied. I have one more item. So I bought at the Dollar Tree. I love using spray glue. And the other one I bought was a pump. And so the pump got stuck. Literally, I used it for 2 projects, or 2 or 3 projects. And then I went back to use it last week, and that was it. It was stuck, so I literally had to unstick it and use it. So this one is more of a, shake, or I don't know what it's called, aerosol, right? But it says it's extra strength, acid-free, and dries clear. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I will let you guys know how I do with it in one of my DIYs as I keep on using it, you know? So this is the last item for this DIY. What did you guys think? How did I do? I think I did okay. I bought 4th of July stuff. I stocked up some wreaths, and then some greenery and lots of boards. So more DIYs coming up, and I have another Dollar Tree that might be coming up because I want to get out and do another run tomorrow for like more home things and stuff. So that's coming up. But for this video, I think we are done. Thank you so much for watching. If you stuck this long, thank you so much. Please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.